Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Learn English with Narayan. So guys, today was 30th video of my channel to learn English through online, and today also was a new year 2016. So guys, today we are start new process, new chapter. Our 30 video was complete today, and today and yesterday I was 31st video. So guys, today my channel total subscriber was 5, and I grow more in this month, in this new year. So please support me and subscribe my channel to join and see my journey. So today we read Word Power Made Easy book. So we start here. So first of all we open the page from previous day read. So previous day we are reading here. So now we are reading page number 436 and how to spell a word. So let's start. The spelling of English word is archaic, is confusing, it's needlessly complicated, and if you have a sense of humor, it's downright comical. In fact, any insulating epithet you might wish to level against our weird method of putting letters together to form words would probably be justified, but it's our spelling and we are stuck with it. Many years ago, the Irish playwright George Bernard Shaw of Ferred a dramatic proposal for reducing England's taxes. Just eliminate unnecessary letter from our unwieldy spelling, he said, and you all save enough money in paper and printing to cut everyone's tax rate in half. Maybe it would work, but it's never been put to the test, and the way things look now, it never will be. Current practice more and more hold spelling exactly whether it is bad. Though it may be, it is a scientific law of language that if enough people make a mistake, the mistake becomes acceptable usage. That law applies to pronunciation, to grammar, to word meaning, but not to spelling. Maybe it's because of our misbegotten faith in the worship of the patent word. Maybe it's because written language trades to be relatively static, whistling spoken and gorge constantly change. Whatever the cause, spelling today such careful resist every logical effort at reform. English spelling, said the American sociologist and economists theorist Thorstein Veblen scientists satisfies all the requirements 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 of the canons of reputably under the law of conspicution waste conspicution cons picous conspicution waste. It is archaic, cumbrous and ineffective, perfectly true. Notwithstanding, it's here to stay. Your most erudite friend, doubtless misplace the name of the Hawaiian guitar. I asked half a dozen members of the English department of the large college to spell the word without expression. They responded with unlike un responded with ukulele, yet the only accepted form is ukulele. Judging judging from my experience with my classes, half of population of the country must think the word is spelled alright, alrigst, alright. 75% of the member of my class cannot spell embarrassing embarrassing or collie. People will go on misspelling misspelling these four words, but the authorized spelling will remain improvise to change. Will you know that one about Muhammad and the mountain if spelling won't change, as it probably would not. Those of us who consider consider ourselves poor spellers will have to. We all just have to get up and go to the mountain. It is hard to become good speller. I have demonstrated demonstrated over and over again in my classes that everyone of normal intelligence and average educational background can become a good speller in every little time. What makes the task so easy? First, investigation have proved that 95% of the spelling errors that educated people make occur in just 100 words. Not only do we all misspell the same word, but we misspell them in about the same way. Send correct spelling relies exclusively exclusively on memory, and the Most effective way to train memory is by me means means of association, 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 or to use the technical term mnemonics. Technical, technical term, term, mnemonic, mnemonic. If you fancy yourself, fancy yourself an imperfect or even a trouble speller, the chances are very great that you will develop a complex solely because you misspell some or all of the 100 words with which is intermission deal. When you have conquered conquered the single list, and I shall immediately proceed to demonstrate how easy it is by means of mnemonics to do so. 95% of your spelling difficulties will in all likelihood vanish. Vanish. Let's start with 25 words from the list. In the first column, you will